In this video, we'll show you how to set up creator targeting settings in ConnectSafely.ai. Start by visiting your ConnectSafely.ai dashboard, then go to the Creator Settings section. Here, you'll see several options to customize your engagement. You can add a persona based on your requirements. A persona defines the tone and style of your comments. You can enable Tag Post Author, which automatically tags the post owner whenever you comment. Turn on Engagement Check to make comments only on posts that already have more than 5 comments. Enable Like Post to automatically like the post where your comment is made. You can also skip certain posts according to your preferences, for instance, posts that don't match your target audience or content goals. Finally, you can use the Creator Targeting section to focus on specific users. Click Add URL and paste the LinkedIn profile link of the creator you want to engage with. Once added, ConnectSafely will automatically interact with that creator's content, liking and commenting on their posts consistently to strengthen engagement. After setting everything up, click Save Settings. Then go to the Creator Activity section, where you can see every interaction and activity related to your targeted creators.